What do you want? What do you want?
Rocky, gonna walk? Are you gonna walk?
Did you hear him?
Yeah, he's barking.
No, he's gonna. You better get him a treat, Lauren. He's waiting.
Good boy, Rock. Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy.
Because you said about the treat. And he's tapping his front paws on the table.
Good boy.
He's whacking out. Yeah. He heard you say treat. He wants one. Kai, you want a treat? Here, ask Kai if she wants one.
Kaya, you want a treat? Kaya, want a secret? Treat?
Rocky.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy, Rocky.
You hear him?
Yes. I'm right out here. He's screaming.
Good boy.
Ready for the treat?
Kaya.
You gotta give him a cookie now.
Come on, let's get treat.